Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be going over relational operators. So what they are is they return a Boolean, so true or false, right? Based on if the statement is true or not. Let's get started. So make a script, right? So our first operator is equals to. So what it looks like is two equal signs. It may look like the equal sign when we make a variable, but they're not the same because this one uses 2. This one checks if two numbers are the same. One equal sign assigns a variable. So local x equals 5 equals 5. This would return to us true because 5 is equal to 5, right? If we were to change this to a 4, 5 is not equal to 4 and would return to false. So 5 return to us true, right? Our next operator is greater than. So greater than. You've probably seen this in math. So local x equals 5 greater than 6. This would return to us false because 5 is not greater than 6. If we were to change this to a 4, 5 is greater than 4, right? That would be true. If we were to do a 5, 5 is not greater than 5. Because they're practically the same, it would return to us false. But if we were to put 4, it would return to us true, because 5 is greater than 4, right? The next operator is less than. So local x equals 5 less than 6. 5 is less than 6, which would return to us true. If we were to change this to a 4, 5 is not less than 4, it is greater than, so this would be false, right? If we were to print it, it would return to us false in the output, right? Our next operator is greater than or equals to. So local x equals 5. The alligator always comes first. If you were to put the equal sign first and then the alligator, this would be completely wrong. So 5 greater than or equal to 5. Even though 5 is not greater than or equal to 5, which we did up here, which you tried up here, this would be true because 5 is equal to 5. Even though it's not greater, it is equal. So it would return to us true. If we were to change this to 6, this would be false because 5 is not greater than 6, nor is it equal to 6, right? If we were to change this to a 4, 5 is greater than 6, but it's not equal to 4. This would return to true, right? Okay, so comment these. Our next operator is less than or equals to. So local x equals 5 less than or equal to 10. So 5 is less than 10. Even though it's not equal to 10, it is less than. So this would return true, right? But if we were to do 4, 5 is not less than 4. It is greater than. It's not equal to either. So this would be completely true. False. My fault. If we were to do 5, even though 5 is not less than 5, it is equal to 5. This would return to us true. Right. Okay. Our last relational operator is called not equals to. So it is the complete opposite of the first one. Equals to. And so what it looks like is it takes this squiggly line, and then the equal sign. So if 5 is not equal to 5, this would be false, because 5 is equal to 5. If we were to put a 6, 5 is not equal to 6, so this would be true, right? So true. And so we could use these relational operators with our last video going over arithmetic operators. So if we were to do local x equals 5 plus 5 is less than 10 plus 3, and we were to print it. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 10 is less than 13. This would return to us true, right? Okay. If we were to do 5 minus 3, and let's do 3 minus 2. 5 minus 3 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 is not less than 1, so this would be false, right? And let's do a little more complicated. So 10 modulo 2 plus 5 equals 2. Let's see, 10 plus minus 5 times 2 is 5. Okay, so let's do this side first. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0, plus 5 is 5. On this side, 10 modulo 2, if you remember what the modulus does, it returns the remainder of a division problem. So 10 divided by 2, it returns 0 because there is no remainder. 2 perfectly goes into 10 5 times. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 is equal to 5. This would return true, right? And that's basically it for relational operators. What are they useful for? You could check like if a player's cash is greater than or equal to a price of an item, and if it is, you could subtract that item price from the player's cash when the player purchased the item. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.